Alright, we're gonna try this one more time. How about that DX land? I say, how about that DX land Insomniac 007, Albuquerque, New Mexico, with that wave. Break.
You better watch that Kelly structure.
¿Quiénes están 50 en los 20 de San Nicolás?
Yeah, no get back from nothing on this piece of radio. Insomniac 007 Albuquerque, New Mexico, in my squealing mud duck mobile bump.
138, sir.
5-0 en San Nicolás.